Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking spaghetti in the microwave. So I'm cooking this just for myself, so I don't need a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this as a measurement. If you notice that there is a hole at the end of your scooper, so I'm just gonna put my spaghetti in there, and that should good for one person. So for me this is good for one person. I will be just the one to eat, so okay. I'm going to cut the noodles into half, and instead of just lay it down, I'm gonna make an X so that it won't stick together. And then I'm gonna go ahead add 3 cups of water. It's warm water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable cooking oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave. Microwave it for 20 minutes. I put a cover on the top. Almost done. 20 minutes is up. Guys, you be very careful opening this one because this is gonna be so hot. Okay. Our spaghetti noodles after 20 minutes is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water. Go ahead and add my sauce, my spaghetti sauce. And then if you like cheese, you go ahead and put your cheese, but if you want a plant-based cheese, you can do that too, just like what I'm doing now. Put a dash of salt and a dash of black pepper. And this is how I cook my spaghetti in the microwave, 20 minutes. Come on, let's eat. And I like to eat it with toast bread. 20 minutes. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.